What is Gemini Canvas? Gemini Canvas is Google's new creation space inside Gemini where you don't just chat with the model. You actually build things. Until now, AI models were mostly text engines. They give you answers, summaries, ideas. Canvas moves past that. This is where Gemini becomes a builder. Canvas can turn one single prompt into a concrete artifact. That artifact can be a presentation, a web page, an infographic, a prototype of an app, an interactive quiz, a storyboard, a pitch deck, or even a product demo. You describe the end result you want. Canvas drafts it in real time. You can edit it, add more context, fix tone, change structure, drag pieces around. Gemini keeps rebuilding the output as you refine it. So Canvas is the first place where your notes convert directly into a thing you can use. No exporting. No moving to PowerPoint. No switching tools. Go from a blank slide to a polished presentation faster with Canvas in Gemini. This is the biggest initial unlock. You can literally tell Gemini, create a presentation, and attach all your notes, and Gemini will structure the entire deck. Instead of staring at an empty PowerPoint template, you start with a completed deck. Canvas gives you the backbone. Title slide, section headers, talking points, supporting visuals, in seconds. Then you refine, tune, adjust tone, expand sections, right there in Canvas. This is how creation is shifting. We are moving from AI that helps you think to AI that helps you produce. That's what makes Canvas important. It's not a feature. It's a new workflow. If you want to go deeper, search on web, Google Gemini Canvas. Once you see it in action, you immediately realize this is the new default for building presentations, prototypes, and shareable output.